Hello friends, welcome back. This video I am going to show you how to fix call failed or can't make calls on your Android phone. You can follow this guide easily fix it. So let's get started. First unlock your phone, then swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here you can find the airplane mode option. Simply tap on it once to turn it on. After then tap on it again to turn them off. Now refresh your phone network settings. After that you can check your SIM signal is appear right now. If you don't see the SIM signal here, maybe network related issue. You have successfully checked your SIM network provide there but not be solved this problem. Don't worry, you can follow this next method. Find the phone dialer app your phone, tap on hold it. After the pop-up menu, go to the app info page. After that, at the bottom right corner, you can see force stop button. Click on it, hit OK. After it done, scroll down again, open storage. At the bottom menu bar, you can find the clear cache, clear data option. Tap on both options one by one to clear it. After that, go back to the previous screen. This time scroll all the way to the very top, open permission and make sure to all of important permissions set to allow, such as call log, contact an account, phone, SMS. After it done, simply close the app, then restart your phone. To do that, press and hold the power and volume down button your device and wait a few seconds. From the pop-up menu appear, select restart, tap it again and wait to turn back on your phone. After your phone is turned back on, you can try to make any person call them your device and maybe this time it work properly. However, keep in mind if your problem is still maybe hardware related issue, you can contact any service center or network provider to fix this easily. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide will help you. Please like this video. Possible to share it with your friend. Goodbye.